In a world increasingly focused on sustainability and style, transforming old, discarded wood into modern, functional desk accessories is both a creative and eco-friendly pursuit. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just looking to add a personal touch to your workspace, upcycling wood can breathe new life into materials that would otherwise go to waste. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Kuki Decor, your creative space for stylish, simple, and inspiring wood decor ideas. Today we will show you the collection of modern desk accessories from an old scrap wood. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and crafts ideas videos daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. To never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas, smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Kuki Decor. In today's world, where environmental consciousness is growing alongside an appreciation for artisanal craftsmanship, the practice of upcycling has evolved from a niche hobby into a meaningful, creative movement. One area where this eco-minded creativity is truly thriving is in the upcycling of old scrap wood into modern desk accessories. This transformation, from neglected timber to stylish and functional workspace decor, combines sustainability with ingenuity and provides an excellent opportunity to merge environmental responsibility with personalized design aesthetics. The modern desk has become more than a place to work. It is a curated environment that reflects personality, style, and values. Whether you are working remotely, managing a creative studio, or maintaining a tidy workspace for your studies, having well-designed, functional desk accessories makes a noticeable difference. Upcycling wood into such accessories not only saves materials from ending up in landfills, but it also provides a sense of accomplishment, creativity, and individuality that store-bought items often lack. And the best part is that anyone with a bit of patience, some basic tools, and a passion for reuse can take part in this craft. Old wood comes from a wide range of sources: discarded pallets, broken furniture, leftover construction materials, cabinet offcuts, old fence panels, and sometimes even driftwood. Often, these materials are left behind because they seem outdated, damaged, or simply surplus. But what might look like a useless plank to one person can become the perfect base for a sleek, minimalist monitor stand or a rustic pen holder. Reclaimed wood often carries unique characteristics, such as nail holes, weathered textures, aged grains, and natural imperfections, that lend warmth, character, and authenticity to the finished product. These features are difficult, if not impossible, to replicate in new lumber and are often celebrated in modern, industrial, or Scandinavian-inspired designs. When integrated thoughtfully into desk accessories, these imperfections become focal points, turning each item into a one-of-a-kind piece. The first step in any upcycling project is sourcing and preparing the wood. It's important to select wood that is structurally sound, free from rot, and ideally hardwood for durability. Once sourced, the wood must be cleaned thoroughly, stripped of any nails, screws, or adhesives, and then sanded to remove splinters or uneven surfaces. Depending on the project, you might leave some of the patina for character or sand it smooth for a clean, modern look. After this, decisions can be made about design, shape, and functionality. Each accessory serves a purpose and should be made with both form and function in mind. For example, a pencil holder is more than just a cylinder. It should be well balanced, sized to accommodate different writing tools, and stable enough not to tip over easily. Using a block of wood, one can drill evenly spaced holes, sand the surface to a smooth finish, and optionally stain or seal it for durability. Decorative touches such as engraving initials, painting color accents, or adding metal embellishments can further elevate the piece. One of the most popular and practical items to create from reclaimed wood is a monitor stand. As more people work from home and focus on ergonomic office setups, raising monitors to eye level becomes essential. A well-designed monitor riser made from upcycled wood not only serves this functional purpose, but also adds aesthetic charm to your workspace. Simple designs involve joining a flat plank with sturdy legs, leaving a space underneath for storing a keyboard or documents. For more advanced projects, one can add drawers or compartments using smaller pieces of wood. The grain and texture of the old would bring visual interest to what might otherwise be a purely utilitarian object. Similarly, desk organizers made from scrap would offer endless possibilities. These may include divided trays for holding paperclips, sticky notes, and USB drives, vertical file holders for papers and folders, or stackable compartments for a modular approach. Scrap wood, especially in smaller sizes, is perfect for these kinds of items, and no two pieces will be exactly alike. Another fantastic project involves crafting cable organizers. In a world where wires and chargers are unavoidable, stylish cable management solutions are in high demand. Scrap wood can be cut into narrow strips, drilled with holes or slotted to hold cables in place, and even fitted with small pegs or hooks for additional utility. Attaching felt or cork to the bottom prevents scratching surfaces, and adding magnets or adhesive strips allows these organizers to be fixed to desks or walls. The tactile warmth of wood contrasts beautifully with plastic cables, offering a blend of organic and modern aesthetics. For those with mobile work habits, a handcrafted phone or tablet stand made from reclaimed wood is both useful and stylish. These stands can be simple grooves cut into angled blocks, or more complex foldable pieces with adjustable angles. The satisfaction of creating a stand that perfectly fits your device's dimensions and viewing angle cannot be overstated. Adding a carved slot for a charging cable or incorporating a small drawer into the base can take the project to the next level. Sustainability isn't just about materials, it's about the entire process. Using hand tools when possible, selecting eco-friendly finishes, and designing for longevity all contribute to a greener approach. Linseed oil, beeswax, and water-based sealants help protect the wood while avoiding harmful chemicals. These natural finishes also enhance the wood's grain and color, celebrating the material's original beauty rather than covering it up. Even small leftover scraps from these projects can be repurposed into coasters, bookmarks, or labels, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. Beyond the ecological benefits, the personal value of crafting your own desk accessories is immense. In a mass-produced world, taking the time to make something with your hands fosters mindfulness and creativity. Each item becomes a reflection of your skill and style. Gifts made from upcycled wood, such as personalized pen holders, engraved trays, or custom organizers, are also deeply appreciated because of the thought and effort behind them. Upcycling can also be an excellent opportunity for collaboration and community engagement. Workshops that teach wood upcycling skills are gaining popularity in makerspaces and community centers. Schools and youth groups can also use these projects as a means to educate about sustainability, craftsmanship, and design thinking. Even small businesses are beginning to explore upcycled office products as part of their branding, favoring custom handmade accessories that convey authenticity and environmental commitment. In terms of design, the aesthetics of upcycled wood align perfectly with popular contemporary styles. The minimalist approach of Scandinavian design, the raw textures of industrial decor, the natural elements of rustic interiors, and even modern boho vibes all harmonize with reclaimed wood. Whether your style is sleek and modern or cozy and traditional, upcycled wood accessories can be tailored to fit your vision. Practicality is another major advantage. Unlike delicate materials or fast-wearing plastics, properly finished wood is extremely durable. It resists cracking, warping, and fading, especially when well sealed and maintained. Many types of reclaimed wood, such as oak, maple, or walnut, are high-quality hardwoods that are ideal for long-lasting use. Compared to buying high-end wooden accessories, crafting your own saves money and offers far greater customization. It also allows you to design exactly what you need, whether it's a perfectly sized tray for your drawer, a matching set of accessories, or an unusually shaped organizer that fits a niche space on your desk. One of the most inspiring aspects of working with scrap wood is the element of transformation. There is something deeply satisfying about turning what was once considered waste into something functional, beautiful, and lasting. The narrative of renewal echoes through every grain and groove, and every accessory becomes a story of rebirth and resilience. Even beginner woodworkers can find success with small projects, gaining confidence and skill with each new creation. Over time, this can evolve into a fulfilling hobby, a side business, or even a passion for sustainable design. For those looking to expand their skills, adding other materials such as leather, metal, or glass can introduce interesting mixed media possibilities. Leather straps can become handles for storage trays, metal rods can be used as pen rests or cable hooks, and small glass jars can be integrated into wooden bases for unique desk caddies. These hybrid designs blend textures and create a boutique-like feel that elevates the ordinary. Ultimately, upcycling old scrap wood into modern desk accessories is more than a DIY trend. It is a meaningful and creative lifestyle choice. It encourages us to look at waste differently, to value the materials already around us, and to take pride in making things ourselves. It connects us to the past, to craftsmanship, and to the environment, all while enhancing the spaces where we work and think. Each project is an opportunity to create not just something functional, but something with soul. As you transform forgotten wood into cherished items, you participate in a cycle of reuse that honors both the earth and the artistry of making. Whether you're carving out a simple pencil tray or constructing a complex organizer with sliding parts, the act of turning scrap into style is a rewarding process that embodies both purpose and beauty. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Decor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.